Hi everybody, it's Dana. So I've been getting some emails about people having trouble with doing the Collaborate assignment, the recording, so I just want to show you really quickly how to do that. So this is my Sandbox course. So I have a Blackboard course that I can try out new things and kind of test technologies in. So this is not the course shell that you're working in right now, but it's similar, right? So you'll see Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, right? So you'll go to Collaborate, the Collaborate section in the course. You'll click on that. What you'll then do is you'll go into the course room that's listed with your name, right? I'm just going to use my course room. Now, everyone in their course rooms with their name is set to have moderator privileges. So you should be able to do this in your session, right, in your room. If you can't, please email either Diane or I, and then we'll reset your code, your code to make you a moderator, but you should be, your permissions, but you should be fine, because I double checked, hopefully I caught everybody. Okay, so you go into your Collaborate room, right? So I'm going to join my course room, right? So I'm just going to join the room. Okay, it's going to ask you to join room, right? You can join from your browser, right? Or you can join from Blackboard or Blackboard Instructor. Just click join from browser. And it's going into the course, and you can see I'm joining as me. It's going to tell you your room is empty, which is fine, as soon as it loads. So it'll tell you your room is empty, and that's fine. Make sure that when you get into your room, though, that you turn on your audio. And if you're using your video, turn on your video. For this particular instruction, I'm not going to turn on my video, right? You're going to go up here to where you see these three lines to open your session, right? So you make sure you're recording. When you're ready to record, you're going to click here to start recording. You can see that when you go to the three drop-down arrows, click start recording, okay? And it'll start your recording for you, okay? Just going to move this out of the way here. You'll see this little purple tab on the bottom. You're going to open your Collaborate panel, okay, before you start recording. And you're going to want to share your content, right? Because you made your PowerPoint. So you're going to click here for share content. And you see you've got a bunch of different things that you can share in content. What you're going to want to share is you're going to want to share your files, right? And that's where you're going to upload your PowerPoint. So let me just choose a file. It can be a PowerPoint or a PDF or an image. So I'm just going to drag an image over. I'm going to add an image. This is the image I add. There's all my different pictures. I'm just going to pick the image that I add for when I do my Coffee Talk sessions, which is this white coffee cup. So this is how my Coffee Talk sessions will start. That's what I call my open office hours. Okay. So I shared this image when I'm going to do that. So when students come in, they're greeted with this. And then if I have any presentations or anything else, I can share other things and move it. But this is what's their standard, kind of the standard video visual for when I have my open office hours. And then you would be ready to record at this point, right? Because your PowerPoint would be loaded. So you'd go over here and you click start recording, right? And it's going to say session is being recorded, and you'll confirm that by seeing a small little camera here. Do you see that? Where it says recording in process, right? Or in progress. So you're going to record your session, and when you're done, you can stop recording. And you can stop recording your session, right? And then you're just going to exit your session. You're going to leave your session. You don't have, there's not a save button or anything like that. You're just going to click leave session, right? And it'll ask you how was Collaborate, and hopefully it was excellent for you. You're going to submit. And then you're totally out of Collaborate, right? You'll be out of Collaborate. Once you do that, it takes a while for the recording to load right into Blackboard. So, but once you're done with that, like once you've given it enough time, probably about an hour, I'd wait about an hour, go back in and look for your recording in the recording section of Collaborate. So you should be able to see your recorded session there in that section of Blackboard Collaborate, and we all will be able to see it too. We'll see like whatever, your session and the recording and the date and time that you did it. If you have any questions about any of that, please feel free to email me or Diane, or please post it in the Anything Goes discussion area. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks.